Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the HP Smart Tank printer not printing black ink printhead troubleshooting. Method 1, clean the printhead. Step 1, open the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Step 2, select your printer and go to printer settings or tools. Step 3, click maintenance and select clean printhead. So follow the on-screen instructions and wait for cleaning cycle to complete. Step 5, print a print quality diagnostics page to check whether the black ink is printing correctly. The method 2, purge air from the ink tube. So turn off the printer and open the front access door. Then wait for the print carrier to move the center and then inspect the black ink tube for a large air gap or bubbles. If air is visible, gently tap the side of the printer near the black ink tank to help the ink settle. Now close the access door. Run the printhead cleaning cycle 2 or 3 times and consecutively to force ink through the system. Now print a test page to check if black ink printing has been restored. Method 3, clean and reset the printhead. So step 1, you can ensure the printer is turned on. Step 2, open the front access door and wait for the print carrier to stop moving. Then open the blue printhead latch and carefully remove the black printhead from the printer. And use a clean lint-free cloth to gently wipe the copper colored electrical contact and ink nozzle. Then allow the printhead to dry for a few minutes and then reinsert the printhead at a slightly upward angle and push it firmly into place until it clicks. Now close the blue latch and access door and print a test page to see if the issue has been resolved. Step 4, perform a hard reset. So leave the printer power on, unplug the power cord from the back of the printer, wait at least 2 minutes and reconnect the power cord. And turn the printer back on if it does not start automatically. And print a test page to check whether black ink is printed correctly. The method 5, check ink level and print setting. So check the black ink tank and ensure it is at least half full. Then open the print settings on your computer before printing. Then verify the grayscale color only or draft mode settings are disabled. And select normal or best quality printing mode. And then print a test documents and check the output quality. Goodbye.